Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms, and check it out. The bus is back in the garage where it will stay until it is done, until it has got a new engine. We're pulling out this engine. We're putting the Subaru engine in it. It's called the Busaroo swap, and I hope you're following the other channel to see how that progress goes. But tonight, I'm showing you a new tool that Vivo Home sent me, and I'll bring you over to the workbench right now and show you what it is. In order to get engines up and off of stands and up off grounds and keep everything level, you're going to need something called a load leveler. Let's take a look at it right here. Here it is, the Vivo Home 2-ton steel engine hoist load leveler. And there's not a ton to this thing. I'll obviously be showing it off in other videos where I'm using it, but today I just wanted to show it to you. Now, I looked at getting one of these from Harbor Freight. This one actually looked to be a better quality, so I went with this. And not a lot of assembly required. That's kind of cool. All right, here it is. And this is pretty cool. So you have your chains. These are adjustable. You can change how many links are through here. Add it in there. Right. And then we have this hook. This is going to go to our engine hoist, or in my case, I don't have a hoist, so I'm going to be using my tractor with the chain hooked around it. When I lift the engine, the weight of that engine is going to be one way or the other. And that's where it gets tricky if you're trying to line something back up to stick it back in the hole. Well, with a load leveler, you start cranking this to one side or the other, and this centerpiece, if you can see it moving, is now offset, right? You can see it's way over to this side. Crank it the other way. And now it's starting to move back towards center. So that's it. There's not a ton to this process, but it's a load leveler. And so, I mean, you're able to offset and crank this thing all the way over if that's what it takes. If my load positions are way, way offset, well, that's okay. I can hook it, and now where I'm holding this thing is crooked, but if all my weight is on that side, well, now I've leveled this thing back out. And so it's a really useful piece of equipment. A lot of times you buy cherry pickers, which I'm in the market for one right now, but I don't have one. A lot of times when you buy those, they don't come with this. In fact, nearly always, you have to buy this as a separate add-on. And there are several different types that you can get, but I happen to like this style the most. It just seems to work really well. So I wanted to share it with you, and they sent that to me. Thank you guys for sending that to me. I will leave a link on where you can pick one of these up. And I hope you're following the bus project over there, because this is what's going to be going into that vintage Volkswagen bus. The bus is a 1972. This engine is a 2001. And it's going to be kind of the best of all worlds, right? We're going to have this vintage style, this great camper, but we're going to have modern, 20 years old still, electronics and modern engine performance. So great throttle response, twice the horsepower as a stock engine. So we're going to be able to keep up with modern highways. It's going to be awesome. If you're not over on Farpoint Restoration and Repairs, maybe this video will convince you that it's worth a click, and maybe hit the like and subscribe button while you're over there. Till next time, my friends, take care.